at Deer Park. So, how you feel about your driving test today?
I'm a bit nervous.
Bit nervous? You have a driving test after 1 hour. So, did just you taking first lesson or you had some lesson before also?
No, just first lesson.
Just first lesson.
Yep.
And you used to drive in overseas.
Yep.
And you practicing with your friends.
Yes.
Okay. So before coming to driving test, have you done some preparation? Watch some videos, read some road rules?
Yeah, I have watched your videos and read some road rules.
Okay. And do you know about driving test criteria also? What
Yes.
they going to ask you? How many mistakes are allowed?
Yeah, I have read about that, and I have seen in your videos the criteria like reverse
That's
parallel parking and three-point turn, etc.
Oh, that's very good. So you know little bit about your driving test.
Yeah.
Very good. Well done. So first of all, just want to let you know about driving test. Driving test is going to be half an hour. There are going to be two stages of the driving test. First stage will be 10 minutes. Second stage will be 20 minutes. First stage, they're going to take you in a residential area, very quiet roads. They're going to say to you 7 to 8 times turn left and right, and then they're going to say to you do a reverse parallel parking, pull lever, and three-pointer. You must need to know these three things very well. And stage 2 is going to be 20 minutes. It's going to be on busier roads, main roads, like they're going to take you on the stop sign, uh, give way traffic light, and for a line changing and for a roundabout. Okay, so make sure, so these things they're going to say to you in the driving test. Be very careful about these three things in the driving test. Most common mistake student they do, they don't fail because of driving, they fail their driving test just because of these three things. First thing is, whenever they say to you anything, don't rush. For example, you turning left, you turning right, you going from the roundabout, you changing a line, don't rush. Whatever you do, take your time. And the second thing is, just focus on the moment, on the driving. Don't distract your attention about the past, future. Just live in the moment. Okay, because many times people they fail their driving test just because of they think about something else and they fail the test. And the third most common mistake student they do, whenever they say to you anything, don't rush. Only do it when you feel safe. If you don't feel safe, don't do it. Okay, maybe I feel safe but you are not feeling safe, don't do it. If I say to you, it doesn't mean it's a order, it's just a request. You only need to do it when you feel safe. So these three things you need to be very careful for to pass your driving test. And before starting your driving test, it's going to be pre-driving safety check. Pre-driving safety check means they're going to ask you the basic function of the car. So left indicator please. Right indicator, indicator off, headlights on. High beam just push toward your feet.
Yep.
This is just for a temporary, just one time for flashing, but if you want to keep it permanently on, just push toward your hand, just toward your feet, like this, like this. So this is high beam off, washroom wiper. Very good. Show me front demister, back demister, has a light, you need to press, has a light off, hand brake, this is hand brake, horn. Very good. So this is called pre-driving safety check. When you feel safe, when you're ready, turn right. This is the Deer Park testing area. So in this parking area, when you're going out from the parking, give your indicator. Don't forget to give indicator. First mistake you already done just in starting. In the parking area, so whenever you turn left, whenever you turn right, you must need to give way. And here is the pedestrian crossing and a very high activity area, because there cars, because there is a shops left hand side, right hand side, and the car parking area also. Anyone can come from anywhere. Turn right, please. When you turn right, make sure don't turn too early. Go a little bit forward, go in the middle of the road, and then go. Directly you need to come to your left line. They're going to mark you for that. Whenever you're going to turn left and right, they're going to mark how you positioning your car. Turn right. Very good, well done. End of the street, turn left into right line. Next roundabout, do a U-turn, please. Right indicator. Keep checking your middle mirror, keep checking, keep smiling. Keep going straight using left line. Okay, so we are going straight using middle line. Whenever examiner is saying to you anything, make sure look your mirror first, because they're going to check you, are you looking or other road users also whenever they're saying to you anything, whatever you're doing. So first you need to check your mirror, and then you need to concentrate. Don't try to concentrate too early. If you're going to concentrate too early, because you're going to miss your mirrors. Very good, well done. Next roundabout, turn right. Whenever they say to you anything, what you need to do? Mirrors. Don't forget, whenever they speak anything, check your mirror. Because whenever they're saying to you anything, means they're saying something to do. So whenever you're going to do anything, you're going to use brake. So whenever you're checking, you must need to check your mirrors. Turn left. What do you need to do? And now when I say to you anything,
Check the mirrors.
yes, don't forget. Check your mirror and give your indicator, and then concentrate on a left and right. Next straight, turn right. What do you need to do whenever I say to you anything?
Check mirrors.
Mirrors, please don't forget. You need to give way to that car. Why you rushing? Why you turning too early? Okay, go bit back. Go bit back. and you're turning too early. Remember I teach you, whenever you're turning right, go a little bit forward, go a bit forward. Don't turn too early, turn right. Whenever you're turning from the main road to side road, go keep your steering wheel middle of the road and then turn. So directly you're going to go in your side, left hand side, and you're not going to do any mistake. You're not going to fail to give way like you did. Turn left. Do a 3-point turn wherever you feel safe, please. Don't rush, don't rush. I will tell you the position to make a 3-point turn. Whenever you're making a 3-point turn, align your steering wheel the first line of the driveway. Where the first line of the driveway? Little bit ahead from the first line of the driveway. Keep it a little bit ahead from the first line of the driveway. Okay. Yes. Can you see the first line of the driveway?
Yes.
Little bit ahead. Don't enter in a driveway little bit early, otherwise you going to hit right hand side. Okay, understand my dear friend?
Yes.
Ankur? So keep your steering wheel little bit ahead from the first line of the driveway and go enter in the driveway now. Make your car straight. Go a bit forward, make sure. Keep going straight, keep going forward until once your car becomes straight, stop your car. When you reverse, do 4 steps. First, give your signal, left signal, and then change your gear, and the third, check your mirrors, and then move, and back check and move. So these 4 steps, you must need to do it whenever you're doing any maneuvers. Whenever you do 3-point turn, reverse parallel parking, or whatever you do, line change, whatever you do, you must need to do these 3 things. Turn right, please. Indicator, mirrors. Don't rush when you turn. Don't rush when you turn. I will tell you. So go a bit back. Because this is the most common mistake students they're doing in their driving test. Go a bit forward. Once you turn this type of the road, like side road to main road, we are going to main road. So stop your car a little bit. You don't need to turn from the back side. Come here, bring your car to the nature strip where you can see a clear view of the road. Stop for a 1 second, look completely left, completely right, and then move. Okay, you don't need to go on the continuous speed. End of the street, turn right. Don't forget to you need to stop your car. Don't go on the continuous speed. And don't try to look too early. Very good, well done. Did you feel the difference? Well done. Turn left. When you going from the main road to side road, you don't need to stop, because we can see from the front side no one is coming. Check your middle mirror after 10 seconds. When you feel safe, when you're ready, do 3-point turn, please. Give your indicator. Check whenever I say to you anything, give your indicator. Right indicator, please. Remember? Yes. Well done. Very good. Look total back, complete back. Don't look little bit. You need to show to examiner properly, completely. Well done. Well done. Do a reverse parallel parking behind this next car, please. Indicator, mirrors. Whenever I say to you anything, give your indicator and mirror, check your mirror straight away. Do you know how to do it? Reverse parallel parking?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Make sure, yep. When you reverse, 4 steps. Indicator, change your gear to drive. You did very good. Then check your mirror and back check and go. Well done. Don't rush when you're reversing. And don't do sharp turning. If you know how to do parking, don't do sharp one. They're not going to say to you behind one car. They're going to say to you, they're not going to say to you between 2 cars. They're only going to say to you behind 1 car. Like you did little bit sharp turning. Did you see you are at top of the curve?
Yep.
You don't need to do sharp turning. You can go bit 7 meter back. They're not going to say to you behind middle of the 2 cars. They're only going to say to you behind 1 car.
Okay.
So keep going straight. We will do somewhere else. Right indicator, head check and go. Don't forget to give your indicators. These 3 things will be everywhere. Indicator, mirror, head check. Do a reverse parallel parking behind this blue car, please. Indicator. Whenever I say to you anything, check your indicator and mirror straight away. Whenever I speak, check your mirror. Give your indicator. Yeah, no problem. If anyone is coming, no problem. Don't do sharp. Go a bit extra back. Those people, they know how to do reverse parallel parking. I don't teach them my method. I only say to them, just don't do sharp turning. Go a little bit extra gap so you easily can adjust it if little bit here and there. Go bit back. Can you see from in a small mirror? You need to stop your car top of that white concrete line, the gutter line. If one time you're not able to do it, you can go, like I will teach you. This is the red line. Take this red line close to the curb. Once this red line is close to, go bit back, stop your car and then try to make straight. Now try to make straight and keep going back. Keep going back. First make straight. First make straight. Go back. Go back. Keep going back. Keep going back. Okay, so that's, then you can do it again. Don't do it now. Do it again. Reverse parallel parking. We are going to do again the parallel reverse parking. Make your car straight. I will make a good position for you so it will be easy for you. So give your left indicator. Keep going back. Like I will give you a little bit hint to take this red line close to the curb. Take this red line close to the curb. Once it's close, then try to make straight. Your parking will be perfect. Keep going back until your car becomes straight. This sky blue line becomes straight. Keep going back. And once it becomes straight, go a bit forward and try to park it more correctly. Turn left hand side, but it should be more this side. Once you finish, park in parking. So that's how you need to do parallel reverse parking. Okay, it's very easy, very simple. So keep going straight again, please. When you reverse, what you need to do? 4 steps. Indicator, mirror, check and go. Indicator, mirror, check and move. 4 things. Don't try to just move in a first step. First check, then move. Student most common mistake, they try to just focusing to moving. They don't focus on checking. Go now. First look anything, whatever you're doing, and then move. Turn left. Like whenever you line changing, whenever you turning left, whenever turn left. Stop here, you need to look. Again you forget to look. I don't focus on the moving. Focus on checking. Checking. First have a look and then move. Turn left. Like, is this road is going straight?
Yeah.
No.
This one.
This is the left. Because in the deer park testing area, lots of bendings. Give your left indicator. Left, not right. Left indicator. This is left for you. Check. If anyone is coming, you need to give a go now. If anyone is coming, you need to give way. If no one is coming, you don't need to give way. Pull over, please, when you feel safe. Pull over, give left indicator. Stop your car left hand side, close to the curb. And left indicator. Give left indicator, please. If your indicator get off, make sure give it again. Once you finish, park in parking. That's it. Once you finish, park in parking. Parking. Change your gate to parking. So these are the three things they're going to ask you in the test. This is called pull level. So do you know very well about 3-point turn?
Yes.
3-point turn, if the examiner say to you, make sure always you can use only right hand side driveway. You are not allowed to use left hand side driveway. Okay. And when you are reversing, don't forget to do 4-step. 4-step. Indicator, mirror, check and move. Indicator, mirror, check and move. Check means do head check and then move.
Yes.
4-step. Whenever you turn left, indicator, mirror, check and move. Whenever you turn right, indicator, mirror, check and move. Whenever you line change, indicator, mirror, check and only do when you feel safe. Check doesn't mean you need to do immediately. Only when you feel safe. Keep going straight, please, when you feel safe. Head check. Indicator, mirror, check and move. Do a reverse parallel parking behind this car, please. Indicator. Whenever I indicator, mirror. No, first change your gate to reverse and then check and then move. Slow. No need to rush. Slow. Keep your speed very slow. Okay. Take your this red line to close to the curb. Okay. Once you go close to the curb, then try to adjust your car. And if you're not able to do perfectly, you can go a bit forward also. Then you can readjust it also. Keep it bit close to the curb. Make sure reverse parallel parking, you need to keep it 3 centimeter away from the curb, not too far. Go a bit forward. Still you are. Can you see the small mirror?
Yes.
Are you able to see the road, black road?
Yes.
Make sure when that start to disappear, then stop your car. Once you finish, park in parking.
अभी जैसे ये ड्राइववे के पास खड़ी हुई है यहाँ तो नहीं कर
देखो, this is just we are practicing. Okay, well done. Keep going straight, please. Indicator, mirror, check and move. Please don't forget these 4 things. Turn left. Indicator, mirror, check and move. Don't try to concentrate too early. First these 3 things, then move. Because whenever I say to you, you try to concentrate. You try to look where I need to turn left, where I need to turn right. Turn right. Indicator, and what else you need to? Yeah, please don't forget. This is called give way traffic light. As you can see, this traffic light, there is a no arrow. Where there is a no arrow, you need to stop your car in the middle and you need to give way to all the upcoming vehicles. Those vehicles are coming on your way. Like if anybody going straight, anybody turning left, means they coming on your way. If no one is coming on your way, you can go. This is called give way traffic light. How are you going to know about give way traffic light?
There is no arrow.
There is a no arrow. Well done. Very good. Whenever you cross roundabout, deep right. Don't look a bit early. Just before crossing the roundabout, look deep right. Turn left. Yep. Keep in the dotted line. Turn left. When the line is merging, move to right line. Then you need to do it yourself. Indicator, mirror, check and move. Keep checking your middle mirror, keep checking, keep smiling. Line changing, whenever examiner they say to you line change, make sure don't rush. Most common mistake student they do, they slow down their speed. I recommend them a little bit different. I said to them, keep your speed limit little bit up when you line changing. Why you stopping here? Why you stopping here? Why you stopping here? Light is green, my dear friends. What you was thinking there? Make sure if light is green, you don't need to stop. Otherwise, you're going to create unnecessary congestion for other road users. When road will be divided, stay in your right lane, please. Stay in your right lane. Very good. Why you stop, my dear friend, here? What happened? Look, don't get confused in the traffic light. Light is green, you don't need to stop. Speed limit is 80. Make sure, be very careful about overspeeding also. Overspeeding in the test, it's a straight fail. When you feel safe, when you're ready, move to left lane, please. Very good, well done. This is very good line changing. Keep it up. Why you stop? Why you stopping? Why you stopping on the green light, my dear friend? My dear friend, someone can hit you from the back side because you stopping without any reason. Move to right lane, please, when you feel safe. Make sure whenever I say to you, whenever I speak anything, give your indicator, mirror, check, and then move only when you feel safe. Because whenever I say to you anything, you try to concentrate, you don't follow the steps. What do you need to do whenever I say to you anything?
Follow the step first.
Indicator first.
Indicator.
Then mirrors.
Mirror.
Then check.
Then check and
Then move. When you feel safe, when you're ready, move to left lane, please. Indicator. You give just little bit indicator. You need to give completely, fully indicator. And increase your speed limit. Don't decrease your speed limit. Most common mistakes students they do when they line change, they decrease their speed limit because they focus too much on the looking the car and they forget to maintain. They move to left line again, please. And turn left again, please. Well done, very good. Always go from the dotted line, never touch a solid line. Whenever you turn left, why are you stopping here? Make sure you stopping. You can stop here for looking, but don't stop too much back. Go now, and even you don't need to stop. Even no one is there, you just need to slow down. You need to give way if anyone is coming. If there is no one is there, you don't need to give way. Move to right lane, please, when you feel safe. When you feel safe, when you're ready, move to left lane, please, when you feel safe. Very good, well done. This is very good line changing you are doing now. And make sure the student, they do most common mistake also. When they move to left or right lane, they forget to switch off their indicator. You also forget to switch off your indicator. You must need to switch off your indicator also. Sometime indicator get automatically off, but sometime you need to off. Keep checking your middle mirror whenever you're using your brake. Whenever you're using your brake, check middle mirror. Very good, well done. Very good observation from roundabout. Turn left into left line. When you feel safe, when you're ready, move to right lane, please. Check your middle mirror whenever you're using your brake. Mirror, brake, brake, mirror, mirror, brake. Turn right. You will go first, okay? If somebody is standing right hand side, you need to give way to upcoming vehicle, but if somebody is standing right hand side, you must need to give way to them, okay? Turn left. Try to concentrate a little bit here, because you're looking side but you're missing this one, because the examiner, this mirror has a points. If you're not going to check, maybe you are checking but you're checking little bit, so we are not able to see you are checking or not checking. So every time you're missing this mirror, missing the points. The this is an industrial area. The industrial area speed limit is 50. As you can see, this road is bending like this. No, this road is going that way. This is very big bend. You need to follow. There is a lots of bending in the Deer Park testing area. Because if you going to drive just according to the road, you will do going to mistake. Do a 3-point turn, please, wherever you say. Give right indicator. Yeah, no, keep going straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. We are not going to do here. We keep going straight. Well done. So do a 3-point turn, please. Using driveway 3-point turn, okay? We are doing, keep right indicator straight away. We are doing using driveway 3-point turn. No rush. If the car is coming, no need to rush. Remember I teach you, don't early. Keep your steering wheel little bit ahead from the first line of the driveway. Okay, don't turn too early. Very good, well done. This is very good 3-point turn. As you can see, this area lots of bendings. You need to follow the bend. Don't drive according to the road, because many overseas students they drive according to the road. But here in the Australia, you need to drive according to the road rule and road markings. Because if you're going to drive according to the road, you will be not able to pass your driving test. As you can see, this lines and this road is bending again. So you need to understand the bend. Where is the bend? You don't need to give indicator. You don't need to turn anywhere. You just need to follow the bend. Keep checking your middle mirror after 10 seconds. What time is your driving test, my dear friend Anko? 2 o'clock? 2:05. ना इंडिकेटर देने की जरूरत नहीं है. देखो अगेन बेंड या अगेन बेंड. There is a lots of bendings, because if you're not going to see these markings, you will end up with turn left. Turn left. Don't turn left, turn right. We're going to turn right. We cannot turn right from this line. Now you cross the solid line. If they say to you turn right, you need to go in a dotted line. Once it's become a straight line, you're not allowed to cross a solid line. Yes, if this half side is clear, this is called island traffic intersection. If the half side is clear, you go a bit forward, stop your car here. If the half side is clear and second half is not clear, you can wait here in this island. Make sure if you have a blind spot, you don't need to rush. First he will go and then you will go. So you must need to have a clear view. Clear view. Why are you moving? Make sure everywhere I said to you, check and move, because you're moving and then you checking. Don't just move and check. First check and then move. Okay, most common mistake student they are doing while they are moving, then they're looking. No, it's totally wrong, because sometimes you're not able to stop your car. So sometimes you're not able to judge the gap. So first you need to check and then you need to move. Next straight, turn left. Check your middle mirror after 10 seconds. Keep checking, keep smiling. Don't forget to look. You forget to look deep right on a roundabout. Did you check it? Dur, not too early. Once you cross, just before crossing, you need to check. Turn left. Well done, very good. Keep going straight. Follow this road. Next roundabout, do a U-turn. Check your middle mirror after 10 seconds. Can you see this road is bending again? Pull over please when you feel safe. We will do pull over again. Pull over is the very easy simple task, but still student they make a mistake in very simple task. Lots of time they hit the curb when they pull over, they mount a curb, and most common they sometimes they forget to give indicator. Keep going straight please when you feel safe. And another mistake they do in the pullover, they forget to give their right indicator. So pullover is very easy simple task, but if you're going to be bit very careful, you're going to do very properly and easily. You must need to look deep right. You're not looking. What mistake you're doing, I will show you. Go back, because no one is there, so I can take you back. Go back, because roundabout you can fail your test. Go back. Release your foot from the brake. Release your foot from the brake. Release your foot from the brake. Release your foot. Like, go now. Like, you're looking from here just with sides, but when you're going close to the you're not looking deep, right? Understand? Straight, straight, straight. So you must need to look deep right before entering to the roundabout. Turn right. Very good. Well done, my dear friend. As you can see, these yellow signs, this yellow sign is just a recommended, not must. Yellow sign means there is a speed hump sign that this is the speed hump, and it's also a pedestrian crossing because lines are marking. So this speed hump's speed is only 20. Turn left. But after that, after these speed humps, the speed limit is 50. Turn left into right lane. Okay, look in the end, have a look, and then go. Turn left into right line. So straight away you can go to right line. When you feel safe, when you're ready, move to left lane, please. Indicator mirror, check. Check means head check also, and then go. Move to right line, please, when you feel safe. Why you moving? First give your indicator, then check, and then move. Because when you're checking and then you're moving, that is very bad, my dear friend. You're doing everywhere. Whenever you're turning left, you're moving and then checking. So move to left line, please, when you feel safe. This is very bad also. You're not allowed to change a line close to this traffic light, because traffic light has a solid line. You're not allowed to cross a solid line. Move to left line, please, when you feel safe. Make sure don't rush. If you will not do it, you will not going to lose any point. Move to right line, please, when you feel safe again. Turn right using left line. Make sure don't do live. By mistake you go to right line, just stay there. Don't try to correct it. And line changing, you most common mistake you're doing. Whenever I'm saying to you, you checking and you're moving. No. First check and then move. If you do little bit early, you will check a little bit mirror, indicator, head check. No problem. You can do it a bit later. But don't rush. Your driving is very good. Only thing is, just problem is, whenever you're turning left, whenever you're turning right, whenever you're line changing, you're doing a bit rush. Suppose, keep going straight. Suppose this is turn right, go a bit forward, go a bit forward. Suppose you are turning right. Stop your car. Look left, look right, and then go. Suppose you are line changing. Give your indicator. Checking your mirror comfortably, easily. You check it, you show safe gap, and then move. Take bit time whatever you do. Turn left. And head check also you need to do it here, because here is a bike line. Check, head check. Turn left. Turn left here after this stop. turn, end of the straight, turn left. No, end of the straight, end of the straight, end of the straight. Again you're doing same mistake, my dear friend. You need to come here, you need to stop here, look here, and then go. Why you rushing when you're turning? Why you rushing when you're turning? You need to stop here, come here, have a very good look, and then go. Okay, so what you're doing now, you can go here. Whenever you turn left, whenever you turn right, don't rush. Don't rush. Only thing you can fail your test just because of rush. This is the parking area. The parking area speed limit is 10 km/h. It's just a recommended, a little bit up and down is fine. So park your car anywhere, wherever you feel safe. So always best to park right hand side. Do you know how to do this 90-degree parkings?
Not very
I will
perfect in
teach you.
this one.
Keep your side mirror, align your side mirror to the white line. Go a bit forward, go a bit forward. Okay, align your side mirror to the white line. And then go now. Try to make your car straight. Well done, very good. Once you finish, parking. So that's how your test is going to be. Okay, so now I will give you feedback about your driving. So first mistake you are doing, you're not following the bend. Follow the bend. Number 2, whenever they speak anything, they say anything, what you need to do?
Look in the mirror.
And what else?
Indicator.
Indicator, mirrors.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Number 3, whenever they say, whatever you're doing line changing, turning right, and don't rush. Keep your indicator on. Doesn't matter, take a 5 minute, 10 minute. Do your checking bit early, and then only you do when you feel safe. Okay, and the 4th thing is concentrate. Most common mistake I said you student are they doing in their driving test. They rush, they fail just because of rush. Whenever they say to you anything, they try to do immediately. They don't do when it's safe. Okay, number 3, focus. Don't distract yourself, because I seen many times students, they pass their driving test if their focus is not distracting anywhere. अगर आपका ध्यान नहीं भटकेगा इधर उधर, आप easily पास कर सकते हैं. You don't need to think about past, you don't need to think about the future, just need to be in the moment. Whatever they're saying to you, you need to listen and you need to do. You don't need to think about the fail and pass. You don't need to think about what they're going to say to you next, about the traffic. You don't need to think anything. Just focus on that moment. Okay, so if you still have any question, any doubt, anything, you can leave a comment in the comment section and I will reply you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends this video. Thank you so much.